Case how to unblock people so quickly. Let's get started. Open up Facebook app and go to your main menu. Tap on three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen if you use iPhone iOS devices. If you use Android devices, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Alright, once you're here, all steps are the same. You just scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Next step, proceed to settings. Scroll down. Under audience and visibility, you will see option blocking. Proceed to it. And you will see a list of people that you blocked. Next to any of these specific people, you can tap unblock and of course unblock them.